Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Guys, this is Michigan's first snowstorm of 2024. We are getting clobbered with snow. And this is just the beginning. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's snowing really hard. The ground's already covered. The roads are covered. The rooftops are covered. You can't even see the driveway. I'll keep you guys up with some updates, but we're supposed to get like 6 to 8 inches of snow. I hope you guys are doing okay where you guys live. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.